4662 Charlie, emergency. Shots fired by the police. Laramie and Lemoyne. Where's their fucking hands? That was 662 Charlie.
Laramie and Lemoyne units. Laramie and Lemoyne.
524 showing around.
2524 10-4.
Great, all black.
Southbound in the west alley of Laramie units. Southbound in the west alley of Laramie. Medium sized dreads. 25. Alright, units, just go, please. 2530, did you copy?
I copy now.
Squad, let me get a unit over here. I got possibly a male black in this Dodge right here at the intersection. I can't tell the window between them. There's two men shooting me.
Give it a play on that Dodge. You got units coming your way, 4662. 4662 Charlie. 4662 Charlie. You said southbound in the west alley, medium dread. And give me the plate on the Dodge.
Alright, squad. One of the citizens has stated that she went into the backyard.
My partner's over here. I have no idea. I know.
Backyard, the first building off the corner. Backyard, the first building off the corner. You got medium dread. Did you give me what color jacket is he wearing? Somebody check the backyard of the first building off the corner. Charlie, where you at now? Laramie and Lemoyne still?
10-4 squad, West Alley of Laramie.
West Alley, Laramie and Lemoyne units. West Alley, Laramie and Lemoyne. They're all here? You guys need fire?
Alright, pull something up, man.
You're shooting? I'll get there. He's definitely in there. Somebody is.
Hey, Harper, brother. Hey, listen.
You guys, don't pick up your car.
Fuck!
Somebody got a plate on that Dodge at the intersection.
Back up! Wow, this Dodge is getting ready to blow up. The cars flew up.
Alright, he's in the West Alley. Is somebody with 6223 Charlie, West Alley of Laramie and Lemoyne? West Alley.
560 squad, I need to call the block. Southbound traffic at North Avenue. I need to call the block. Northbound traffic at Division squad. If you can see the helpers out here, just shut these streets off around Laramie for a second.
Alright, 2521, you got southbound traffic at North Avenue, please. 2521, can you do that?
535, I'm off lunch. I'm doing that right now. I'm in North and Laramie blocking southbound traffic.
Okay, 35's got southbound. Who's taking? 1520's got northbound traffic at Division, 10-4.
1524, picking up for lunch. I can head over by 51.
Okay, 10-4. 2530.
We have a truck here, so the wheels are running on this squad. We're not sure if it's occupied or not. It's so much smoke, we can't get inside.
Alright, 10-4, we requested fire.
You got him? Okay.
Austin 32, we're here as well.
1532, 10-4.
If that's 23, hold it down here.
Okay.
I think the throttle's Nick, you alright? Which way did he go?
All I saw was run through the alley. By the time I ran to the alley, it was gone. The guy who showed and said that he rounded a corner right here by one of his buildings.
Did you shoot?
No.
I did.
Hey, this door is open.
Sorry, go ahead.
I mean, this door is open.
Hershey Laramie.
There's also a door.
What about Hershey Laramie unit?
Block of traffic.
That's double 25, right? got 26 in opening at 31st. Okay, let me let the fire department know.
People there, let's find this motherfucker. 7662 Charlie.
7662 Charlie.
Squad, can you see if 7661 is on zone 10, please?
7661, are you on zone 10?
661.
Hey, Sarge, I need you at Laramie and Lemoyne. ASAP, please.
Alright, they're on zone 12. We need you at Laramie and Lemoyne ASAP, please. Laramie and Lemoyne, okay?
Have that.
Alright, if you copy, he said now with the info.
10-4, Dave, no station back.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
They talking about the Jeep, the truck?
Lemoyne and what?
Dykeman's coming, I gotta go get him.
Lemoyne and Laramie, is that you? Lemoyne and Laramie, you said somebody got hit by a car? Oh, okay, Lemoyne and Laramie, somebody got hit by a car. Is that a citizen or who is that? Who got hit?
Shit.
Lemoyne and Laramie, what's going on over there? Did a pedestrian get hit or who got hit? Is that the police? I cannot copy you at all, unit. Okay, okay, 2524, you need an ambulance for what? I have 3 units talking at the same time. Well, Laramie, there's a male in the vehicle to send an ambulance here. We got the ambulance, please, units. We got an ambulance rolling. And 7560, can you repeat your transmission?
Male black. Possible gunshot wound to the head.
Okay, and is that person inside the car? Okay, inside the car. And is anybody able to see the plate on that car or no? Yeah, there's fire underneath the car. You gotta step away from the car. There's a fire underneath the car.
Whose car is this?
That's mine. That car is still on fire. Please step away. Units, please step away from the car. It's still on fire.
He's in the house.
4662, you got the air.
There's possibly a male black in this Dodge right here at the intersection.
He's in the house.
The windows are tinted because it's who he was shooting at.
You did a play on that Dodge. You got units coming your way, 4662.
Okay, you're saying that he's right here somewhere.
4662 Charlie. 4662 Charlie. You said southbound in the West Alley, medium dread.
7662 Charlie Squad. One of the citizens is stating that he went into the backyard and first building off of the corner.
Backyard, the first building off the corner. Backyard, the first building off the corner. We got medium dreads. Did you give me what color jacket is he wearing?
Squad, I think he's wearing all black.
Alright, he's got medium dreads wearing all black. Somebody check the backyard of the first building off the corner.
Can we get that finish location?
7662 Charlie, where you at now? Laramie and Lemoyne still?
10-4 squad, West Alley of Laramie.
West Alley, Laramie and Lemoyne units. West Alley, Laramie and Lemoyne.
Are you out here?
You guys need fire?
Something's up there.
I don't know. Let's try to clear this right here. Let's clear this.
Guys, can't see because of the car.
I don't know. Yeah, I think
Somebody
it's
got
gonna
a plate
blow.
on that Dodge in the intersection.
It's a Dodge. It's a fucking car. He's revving the fucking engine. Let's clear this.
Squad, this Dodge is getting ready to blow up.
Police, let me see your hands. Police.
Alright, he's in the West Alley. Is somebody with 6223 Charlie, West Alley, Laramie and Lemoyne, West Alley?
560 squad, I need a car to block. Northbound traffic.
Police.
Yeah. Northbound traffic, division squad.
I can't see this right here. I can't clear this right here.
Put your hands in. Nope.
2521, you got southbound traffic at North Avenue, please. 2521, can you do that?
535, I'm all blocked. I'm doing that right now. The north and Laramie blocks the southbound traffic.
Okay, 35's got southbound, who's taking? 1520's got northbound traffic at Division.
What's your hands? You guys see anybody running here? No?
Huh?
What's your son?
No, I got you. Anybody run in here? Anybody in your house that don't belong there?
No. There's nobody back here. What's up, man?
Hey, you alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Where you go?
All I saw him is run through the alley. By the time we ran to the alley, he was gone. The guy in this building, he says that he ran to the corner right here by one of these buildings.
Did you shoot?
No.
So you're telling me the guy running the alley shot at this guy in the car?
Yes.
How far did you get?
I just ran to the corner and he was gone. That's all I'm saying. By the time I made it over here. The guy from this building, he said that he ran to the corner here somewhere. I'm not sure what building. Okay?
Let's start going yard to yard. Fuck the car. There's enough people there. Let's find this motherfucker.
Right.
That's an abandoned house. It's probably going to be a good thing right there.
560 on zone.
5560 on zone 12.
I'm looking at the pod camera at 5235 West North Avenue. There's a male black hoodie with white strings and blue jeans that was seen running westbound on North Avenue. Basically 5235. It looks like he went southbound on the field.
Okay, so from 5235 North Avenue, he went southbound, out of view. Unit shot fired, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Lemoyne and what?
Dykeman's coming. I got to go.
Lemoyne and Laramie. What?
Lemoyne and Laramie, is that you? Lemoyne and Laramie, you said somebody got hit by a car? Oh, okay, Lemoyne and Laramie, somebody got hit by a car. Is that a citizen or who is that? Who got hit? a pedestrian get hit, or who got hit? Is that the police? I cannot copy you at all, unit.
2560.
Okay. Okay, 2524 Union ambulance for what? I have 3 units talking. We got the ambulance, please, you guys. We got an ambulance rolling in. 7560, can you repeat your transmission?
Possible, I got one in the head.
Okay, and is that person inside the car?
It's on fire, guys.
Okay, inside the car.
It's on fire. It's on fire, guys. It's on fire.
The car is still on fire. Please step away. Please step away from the car. It's still on fire.
They got somebody.
No, he's out. They're fucking alive.